Look at these little delectable pigeons. Just pick one. We're eating good tonight, guys. I mean, birdseed. Oh, man. Birdseed, not pigeons. Calm down, pigeons. We're not eating any pigeons around here. Okay. Oh, wow, yeah, there we go. And they're off to the races. They'll be back in just a minute once they realize that they're still hungry. Ooh, they're going around the long way. Coming back over here. Around the third bend. Oh, no. They faked me out. They're right up top. They came in over the top. All right. Have a great day. Bye. And they're out.